representatives from our valued partner agencies, respected community leaders, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and most importantly, the members of the Vatuwaqa communities who have joined us here today. Good morning to you all. It is indeed an honor and a great pleasure to join you this morning for the official opening of this important 3-day program conducted under the REACH program of the Ministry of Women, Children and Social Protection. Today marks a significant step in our ongoing efforts to bring government services closer to our people, particularly those living in informal settlement. It is essential to recognize the growing number of settlements across the Central Division, communities that have for far too long have been left behind when it comes to accessing critical services and support designed to uplift and empower individuals and families. Through initiatives such as the REACH program, we aim to bridge this gap, ensuring that the services intended for all Fijians are accessible, inclusive and responsive to the needs of every community. Allow me to share some important information to highlight the urgency and the relevance of our outreach today. According to the data from the Ministry of Housing, Vatuwaqa settlements comprise approximately 949 households across 4 communities. Monivatu, 100 households, Wendong, 148 households, Wailean, 396 households, and Anuku, 305 households. From these figures, ladies and gentlemen, it is quite significant, and we have to look at ways of trying to ensure that that we improve the standard of living for these people. Perhaps one of the things that I always have is perhaps maybe to identify areas that are outside of these areas so that our people can have better livelihood opportunities, particularly utilizing the land of agriculture. This data clearly reflects the substantial population residing within these settlements, reinforcing the need for targeted outreach programs such as REACH. Ladies and gentlemen, the REACH program is not merely about delivery of services. It represents a deeper commitment, a solemn pledge to ensure that no Fijian is left behind. By bringing together multiple government agencies, civil society organizations, and partners under one platform, REACH provides a one-stop shop service center where community members can access vital services such as legal aid, social welfare assistance, birth registration, health screening, counseling services, and much more. For the communities of Vatuwaqa, access to these services will not only improve the standard of living, but will also address the broader challenges such as drug abuse, domestic violence, and resorting to crime. The issues that continue to have a profound impact on the fabric of our society. Many of these challenges stem from a lack of opportunity, lack of information, and limited access to support systems. Through REACH, we seek to break these cycles by empowering individuals with the knowledge, resources, and confidence needed to create a better future for themselves and their families. Beyond service provision, this program is also about fostering awareness and empowerment. It encourages our people to be proactive, to ask questions and seek support and take ownership of their own development journeys. It strengthens trust between government and communities and build a more inclusive and resilient Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, the impact of REACH has already been evident throughout the various missions across Fiji. Families have successfully enrolled in social protection systems. Women have gained support to pursue entrepreneurial ventures and young people have been empowered with knowledge about their rights and responsibilities. These are not just success stories, they are real-life testaments to the transformative power of inclusive service delivery. Today we build upon these successes. We reaffirm a commitment to reaching out to every Fijian, especially those who are often overlooked, ensuring that they too have the opportunity to thrive. I take this opportunity to sincerely acknowledge the collective efforts of our partner agencies, government departments, NGOs, and community leaders. Your dedication and collaboration are what makes initiatives like REACH possible, and your commitment continues to bring real and lasting change to our communities. As we commence this 3-day program, I urge all members of the community to take full advantage of these services, ask questions, register for assistance, seek guidance, and equip yourselves and your families for a better future. The opportunities you seek here are there, and they are there for you. In closing, let me leave you this message. A community empowered is a community strengthened. Let us continue to work hand in hand towards building a Fiji where opportunity, equality, and dignity are realities for every citizen, regardless of where they live. Nasa Valeu.